welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've sat in front of the camera here and did a makeup video. It's been a while. So we're going to be doing the month of August BoxyCharm. I got this yesterday. Today is Saturday, so yesterday was Friday. I got this yesterday in the mail and I'm excited to see what we got. So, got the box here, and I'm a little out of breath, sorry, because I just sat down. Super out of shape. This is Spa Glamping Sunbathe Yoga Slumber BoxyCharm. So the first thing I saw was brushes. This is awesome. I have never owned anything by Morphe before. And these are the I Got This 4-piece eye brush collection by Morphe. These retail for $12. Wow. I was not expecting that. That is awesome. 12 bucks. That's a pretty good dang deal. I'm really excited to use these. And I love those kind of brushes that are thinner at the end. I definitely like these a lot better. These look like your basic, like, essential brushes. You have, wow, these actually don't have like numbers or anything on it. It just says Morphe. But you have like your classic blending brush here. You have like a smaller crease brush, a flat brush, and then a really nice angled brush. That's awesome. So I'm super excited to use these. And then we have a eyeshadow palette, which is neat. This is the Neutral Eyeshadow Palette, Cargo Cosmetics, through BoxyCharm. Oh, it doesn't have the little clear sheet that usually comes in there, but that looks pretty neat. Got 7 mattes and 2 shimmers, and the shimmers are right here. And don't mind my nails, sorry, they're horrendous. I painted one color blue on this side and then like different colors on this side. But don't mind my nails, please. But yeah, we have this. Cargo Cosmetics. This retails for, wow, $40. Okay, a little on the pricey side for a small palette like this. You can probably get a palette just like this from ColourPop for like $14, not even. But yeah, 40 bucks for this. Okay, next up we have is the Hydrate and Restore Hydra Glow Sleep Serum. Awesome. $44.95 this retails for. So I'm excited to try this out. Sleep Serum. Ooh, triple action hyaluronic acid for all skin types. And I've actually never owned anything from MAC either, so this is exciting. I have a lipstick from MAC. This is the Luster lipstick. This is in 524 syrup. And this retails for $19. Sweet. I actually just want to open this up. Oh, that's neat. It's like a little bullet. It's nice. It's really cool. So I'm super excited. Super excited. Super excited to try that out as well. Awesome. And then last but not least, this is the Glam Glow Moisturizer. The Moisture Trip Omega Rich Moisturizer. And this retails for $54. Wow. Holy moly. $54. Oh, it's green. It's kind of like a mint green color. Doesn't smell like mint. But it's like, yeah, it's really neat. Sweet. Ooh, that kind of oozed out a little bit. Whoopsie daisy. Keep that contained in there. These two, I'll definitely have to try before bed sometime. Definitely won't be able to use them now. So I'm excited to try the eyeshadow palette, the brushes, and the lipstick right now. So, oh. For my foundation, I did use the 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie foundation. Concealer was the 16-hour camo concealer, and I actually went back to using my Physicians Formula cream bronzer. Been using it, and I'm really liking it. And I also used my Honest Beauty cream blush as well. So let's do it. Oh, God. The mascara I used is obviously my Essence Lash Princess mascara, because this is my favorite. I'm going to be using the Kiss lashes in Belle. These are very pretty, and I already cut them down to size. It's been a while since I've worn false lashes. Alright, now for lips, and then we're done. Before we go in with the MAC lipstick, I'm gonna put a little bit of lip liner on, and I'm going to use my favorite lip liner, of course, by LA Girl. This is in Sugar and Spice. And this again is in Syrup, the shade Syrup. Ooh. So we'll go in with the MAC lipstick. I'm so excited. So it doesn't necessarily go with our eyes, but it's still really cute. I actually really like that. It's really pretty. Alright, let's review. I will leave the price up on this screen here of the total box. Pay $25 a month for that. So that's really good. It's a really good deal. The eyeshadow palette is really nice, actually. It actually blended out pretty well. These shades I obviously didn't see too well because I feel like my eyelid was darker than these shades, so I didn't really see them. I used them anyways as like a transition color. The brown was very pigmented. It blended out very nicely. And the shimmer, just a little bit. I didn't even have to wet the brush or anything. It was very pigmented, very shimmery, very pretty. So that's a thumbs up for that one. So the eyeshadow brushes actually worked out really well. This one is a little stiff and a little scratchy. It was kind of scratchy on my eyes a little bit, but it did blend out the eyeshadow really well, and it fit right in that inner corner, which is nice. And this one is really soft, and I loved it to use it right underneath here because it's very small. That one was good for the shimmer and then obviously the angled brush, but I like the brushes. They were nice. A thumbs up as well. for $12, which that's a steal. That's really good. For 4 brushes, $12, can't beat that. The lipstick, I really liked the lipstick. It very smooth, and I think it actually has like a very light scent to it. It smells good, and I love the packaging. It's so cute. It's like a little bullet. It's really neat. I've never owned anything from MAC before. Never owned anything with Morphe other than my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Volume 2 palette, eyeshadow palette. That's it, but this is really neat, so that's an upgrade for me. And these two, again, I'll have to review another time, or try them at night, see how they perform, because this is a sleep serum and then a moisturizer, which I did in my face before I came on. So that's it. That's everything. And I'm really excited. I'm really pleased with how everything came out. Pretty. Yay! I really liked this box. August was a good box. Thumbs up to you, BoxyCharm. That is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys. Oh, that's tingly. Oh, my foot fell asleep. Oh, that hurts. Give those a thumbs up as well. Thumbs ups. Thumbs ups, ups. My foot is falling asleep and my back hurts. Whoa. That's some brushes falling. So yeah, that was it. That is this video. My bingo arms, sorry.